Hey beautifuls! Welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. So guys, I do have my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of September 2022. So guys, if you are not familiar with this subscription, this is a beauty subscription. You get makeup and skincare in this subscription. This is with IPSY. This is their middle tier for membership. This is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. It costs $28 a month, and every month you do get to pick one item out of a choice lineup that they send you via email. Guys, I do pay for the subscription box with my own money. This is my pay for box, and I do get this because I do enjoy beauty and skincare products, and I think this is an excellent way to get yourself familiar with other beauty brands and try different products that you haven't used before. So that is why I get this subscription every month. So guys, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I do post weekly on this channel, and I do enjoy different subscription boxes, as well as I am a big purse lover. So if you enjoy those things and you want to keep up to date with me, please tap the notification button, hit the subscribe button, and you'll know when my next video drops. So guys, when you get your IPSY, it does come in this beautiful little pink mailer, and let's get into it. So guys, this is our bag of the month. It says on the front, "You got this." I love the little purple that they have on here. I think that is so cute. So let's pull out our products and see what came in our bag this month. So guys, the first product that I pulled out of my bag is going to be by the Lifestyle Company. We have their Radiant Glow Botanical Oil Cleanser here, and let me pull it out so you can see how much we have. This is the product itself right here. This is a 4.2 fluid ounce bottle, as well as this product does a nourishing cleaning oil that breaks down build up and dissolves makeup without stripping the skin for a soft, supple feeling, best for makeup removal and dry, uneven skin. So I think this is a good product to use. I can't wait to try this one out. So I'm actually running low, guys, on my oil cleanser, so I actually think this will be a good product to try out next. So let's hit up our next product in our box. So guys, looks like we got some brushes. This is by YC Collection. So YC Collection brushes. They gave us 3. And I'm not familiar with this brand, so I've never used their brushes before. Let me pull them out here. So let's take them out of the wrapping so I can fully show you. So we have 3 brushes here. They seem pretty soft, little firm. Looks like this will be good to work with for makeup application. Looks like we got an eyeshadow, 2 eyeshadow brushes, and a powder brush here. So I can't wait to try them out. They seem really soft, so can't wait to try them out. Always can use good brushes, right? So my next product I'm pulling out my bag, guys. This is by Carmella Cosmetics. I'm not familiar with them, but this is a silk matte lipstick that we have here, and it says it's a long-lasting formula, and we have the color called Enchanted. So let me pull this out so I can show you guys what this lipstick looks like. I hope it's a color I like, because I'm real funny about colors sometimes. So guys, this is the color of the lipstick. It kind of has like a burgundy brownish kind of tone to it to me, like definitely a winter color. Let me do a quick swatch on the back of my hand so I can show you what it looks like. Oh, that is a matte color. That actually looks better than I thought it was going to look. So guys, this is how this color looks on my skin. Not bad. I actually thought it was going to be like more browny, and it's actually has more red tones to it. So that actually is good for me. So a little bit lighter on the color. I thought it was going to be more browny. So not bad. I can't wait to use that product. And then let's hit our next product. Okay guys, I have the Alley Oop. This is their multi-use face stacker. Now I've received this before in a BoxyCharm box about a few months ago. So I already have this, but I'm going to just show it to you guys in case you haven't seen it. But it is a cream formula, and you get 3, and you get a mirror too. So I'm going to close that so you don't have to see. But you get a highlighter, you get a blush, a cream blush, and you have a bronzer here. Now I have Cocktail Hour. That is the color selection for this that I have. But like I said, I already have this. I'm wearing the highlighter and I'm wearing the blush right now. So that's what I actually have on my face. I did try it out and put it on so I can show you guys. The contour color, that is not going to work for me at all. So I am actually a little bit, darker than this color. So, it'll look like nothing's on my skin. So I won't be using that at all. But I use it and I like it. And I like the creamy products more in the summertime. So since it's still pretty warm for September, I think, I can still use this. But I had no problem with using it. And it was pretty simple to use. So I think I like the idea of this being all in one, because if you're traveling, oh man, this comes in handy. So I think that's a good idea. But again, this is a repeat product for me. So let's try our next product. So our very last product that I have, this is a balm of some sort. And this is by Full Ritual. And it's a magnetic balm. And they have it in this little zip bag here, and it says it's vegan. So let's take it out. Okay, so this is how it comes, guys. I am not familiar with this. I'm not sure what to expect because it says it's a magnetic balm. I don't know what that really means. But this is the color. I mean, it's just a balm color. It's kind of orangey, pinkish to me, but it's just a balm. I don't know why they really call it the magnetic balm. So I don't know. It's not a magnetic closure or anything on here. So I'm not really sure why it's called this, but I'm not familiar with this brand either. So this will be something new for me to try out. So guys, we have 5 products in this box. We have the balm, we have lipstick, matte lipstick, we have our brushes, we have the Alley Oop Cocktail Hour stackable, stack the odds palette here, and then we also have the oil cleanser by the Lifestyle Company. This was just an okay bag this month. Nothing really kind of stood out to me. I mean, this is a repeat product to me, but that has nothing to do with IPSY because I got it from BoxyCharm. So IPSY wouldn't know that I got that from BoxyCharm. So that's not a big issue. I like that we do have at least 3 makeup items. I guess, well, 4 makeup item thingies. Yeah. So this one is light on the skincare, which is great because mostly I get a lot of skincare, which is fine because I love skincare. But I'm glad to see that there's some makeup in here. So we just have 1 skincare item. We have the lipstick, we have the Stack the Odds, and we have the lip balm. So that is my bag for the month of September 2022. So guys, let me know if you guys are seeing some repeats in your IPSY as well. I don't know if any of you have already received this. Like if you get like BoxyCharm and IPSY like I do, then you'll see a lot of repeat items, especially since they've joined together. But guys, let me know what you think about this month's bag. It was just okay. I don't see anything, crazy like, that really is like, oh, I'm glad I got the bag this month. But it's just okay this month. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. It's not like a bad loss, but it was just an okay bag. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this month's bag. Guys, thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me today and checking out my video. I will have BoxyCharm coming up soon. So please turn on the notification button and hit that subscribe button and you'll be up to date with me on my next unboxing. But for now, stay blessed and keep smiling, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!